Excel. Introduction. Observe the following chart. What do you understand from this chart? What does it show? What does the upward and downward trajectory of the line indicate? Look at this table. The chart has been built using the data in this table. The data in the table and the chart indicate how the sales of mobile phones increased till July and then experienced some erratic growth, wherein it decreased or increased over the next couple of months. If you wanted to get an overview of the sales of the mobile phone sold by your company during an year, would you prefer to read the text and statistics given in the table, or would you prefer to see the performance depicted visibly in a chart? What is easier to understand and remember? Look at another chart. What does this chart tell you? This chart indicates that the most favorite hobby of the students in the class is playing sports, which is visible in yellow color in the chart. The other popular hobbies include reading novels, painting, dancing, and others. Charts help you visualize your data in a way that creates maximum impact on your audience. In an Excel spreadsheet, charts enable you to present information in a graphical format that is easy to comprehend. They also help you to understand the trends for information and analysis. In this video, you will learn about charts in Excel and how to prepare them. At the end of this video, you will be able to create a chart in an Excel spreadsheet. There are different types of charts that can help represent your data in the most appropriate way. There are various types of charts like line chart, bar chart, column chart, pie chart, area chart, scatter chart. For example, if you want to show the profit earned by an organization in the last 5 years, you can use a line chart. This chart will help the management and the employees to understand the profit trends in the organization, whether the profit is increasing or decreasing. Look at the chart. It shows that the profit increases for few years, 2018 to 2020, and then it decreases 2021 to 2022. Isn't this an easy and memorable way to understand the profit trend of an organization? A line chart is used to represent data and track changes over a continuous time span. Let's take another example. For showing the performance of the students in the final exams, you can use a column chart. We are not using a line chart here because they may not give a clear understanding about the performance of different students in the class. This is visible in the second image on the screen. Column charts are useful for showing data changes over a period of time or for illustrating comparisons among items. This is a pie chart. You saw this chart at the start of this session too. This chart indicates that the most favorite hobby of the students in the class is playing sports, which is visible in yellow color in the chart. The other popular hobbies include reading novels, painting, dancing, and others. Pie charts are used to represent the proportional data or relative data in a single chart. It shows how a total amount is divided between various categories. One slice in the pie show what a slice is generally represent percentage of one category to the total percentage. In this example, maximum percentage of the students in the class likes to play sports. Unlike bar, column, and line charts, pie charts do not show changes over time. Charts in Excel are linked to a data series and are automatically updated whenever the data is modified. A data series is a collection of various data items and their corresponding values. To insert a chart in an Excel spreadsheet, you can use the Insert tab. The chart inserted in a spreadsheet is linked to the source data. Any modifications in the source data are automatically updated in the chart. You can insert a chart either as an embedded chart or as a chart sheet. An embedded chart is inserted in the same spreadsheet that contains the source data. A chart sheet is a separate worksheet that contains only the chart. The data source is contained in another spreadsheet. Question. First of all, you will make a table in an Excel sheet. This table will contain the data about the name of the items and number of items sold in a year. Prefer the labeling as shown on screen. Column A represents the name of the item. First row shows sales years. And the data given shows the sales volume, that is, number of items sold. To create and insert a chart, you need to perform the following steps. 1. Select data you want to represent in the chart. 2. Go to Insert, Charts Group, Recommended Charts. 3. Select a chart on the Recommended Charts tab where the preview of the chart is also available. 4. You can also select any other type of chart from All Charts tab. For example, click the column option to create a column chart. Show on screen. The chart is inserted in the worksheet as shown in the following figure. You can also change the type of the chart by either of the following steps. Right-click on your mouse and select the Change Chart Type. Go to Chart Design tab and select Change Chart Type. Now to share an Excel chart, you need to perform the following steps. 1. Copy the chart you want to share. 2. Paste the chart in the desired application. You can paste the chart in any of the following applications. A slide in a PowerPoint presentation. A page in a Word document. 3. If you modify the chart data in the source Excel spreadsheet, you will see the reflected changes in the chart in the destination application. In this video, you have learned to create a chart in an Excel spreadsheet.